In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create lists and sublists in Microsoft Word. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, to create a list, decide on whether you want to use bulletins or numbers for your initial list. For my case, I want to use numbers. To get started, you can just go ahead and type the first number, that is number 1, and then tap on full stop without leaving any space and press the space bar, and this will now change this to numbering format, and you can see it is here now. Go ahead and write the first item, and to go to the next list, just go ahead and press on enter, and this will go to the next item on the list. Proceed and write as many items on the list as you wish. To create a sublist for the same, go ahead and press on enter on your keyboard, and then go ahead and press tab, and this will extend this line further to create a sublist. Proceed by just tapping on enter and write the items on your sublist as you wish. Should you want to create a sublist under this sublist, it's also possible. Just go ahead and press on enter, and instead of proceeding with this sublist, go ahead again and press on tab, and this will extend it further to another sublist. So the good news is Microsoft allows up to 9 sublists that you can create on a single document. Should you want to go back to your main list, just go ahead and press enter, and once you are taken to the sublist, go ahead and press on shift plus tab, and this will move you back. Should you want to go to the main list again, repeat the same just by pressing shift and tab, and this will take you to the main list. So that's how you can create lists and sublists in Microsoft Word. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.